If you want to remove SIM card from Samsung Galaxy A37, then in that case we need to take a look at the bottom of the phone. And of course here we should be able to find our SIM tray with the SIM tray hole. We need to use the eject tool, the SIM eject tool, and we need to put it into this hole. Of course the eject tool can be found inside the box. Once you put the eject tool into this hole, then we should be able to apply a bit of pressure and push it into the phone to make the SIM tray pop out. Of course, it's going to pop out only just a bit, so you need to use your fingernails or fingers in order to completely remove it from the phone. There we go. And now once you remove it, you should be able to easily take them out of the SIM. You can try to push it from one side to pop it out from the other one. There are also tiny holes which you can for example, use to poke with the SIM eject tool through that hole in case you have trouble with removing a SIM card from your SIM tray. And then once we remove our SIM, we can of course put it back into the phone, so just slide it in. There we go. And make sure that it is fully inserted. It should not stick out at all. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.